In this video,
We will learn how to fix Fortnite error a D3D11 compatible GPU. In order to fix Fortnite error of a D3D11 GPU, firstly you need to make sure that your graphics card supports DirectX 12 or not. In order to check it out, we need to head to the search panel of Windows. So we'll head to the search panel. From here we'll type run to get the run window. From here we'll just type EXEIAG, then hit OK. Now wait some time for your system to fetch the system information. After your system has successfully fetched the information, head to the display tab. On the right hand side under driver, make sure that Direct3D DDI is 12. If it is anything less than 12, then your problem cannot be solved and you need to unfortunately upgrade your graphics card. After checking it out, exit. Now we need to update our DirectX software. So in order to update our DirectX software, we'll need to just open up our browser. From the search panel, we'll type DirectX, then hit enter. Now we'll hit the official website of Microsoft to download DirectX. The web installer should be enough. Now from here, we'll just click on download and the download should start. Click on start download. After the download is done, you will have a window of something like this. All you need to do is double click on it. Then hit yes. Now accept the agreement, click on next. You don't need to install Bing bar. Hit on next. And the download is being initialized. After the download is done, your error should be fixed and you can play Fortnite without any error. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.